Well, I started working on the shower area. I took a 2x4 and slid it into those vertical channels. I had to plane it down just a little bit because those on the inside, they're right about 1.3/8, maybe a little more or less, but I planed that down about 1/8 inch so that it can fit in there. And then I've got screws. The screws that hold the windows in are also holding this in. And then I added another screw down in here. So that's in there nice and solid. And then I measured from the back wall, came to this one. That's held into the ceiling with some brackets there. Not the best, but it's sturdy. And then once I get the counter in here, it'll help hold this wall solid too. I've got it bracketed in down there. I'll probably add another screw or bracket or something to hold that in. Gotta say, I'm really looking forward to cutting that curve again. I mean, it fit up pretty well there. It was that side of my jig that had some issues. It was a little crooked, but I did find that the sidewall is definitely crooked. I don't know if you can tell on video, but the top of this side is moved in almost 1 inch from where the bottom is. So I've got this about as vertical as I can get it without, I'm not parked on flat ground, so I can't use a plumb line. And I assume that wall's not square since this wall isn't square. So I can't measure across from there to there and top and bottom and see if it's level, so I just kind of eyeballed it in, and hopefully that's good enough. First try. It didn't go like the top did it. Sweet. Question is, will I be as lucky with the fit this time? I guess I gotta remove this little shim here first. Oh, it's close. Oh yeah. See if the top half fits now. It's almost like I know what I'm doing, but really I'm just faking it and it's happening to work. The one thing I didn't do was get measurements where my studs were, so let me take these back out and do that.